Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of plant-based diet. Is a plant-based diet truly healthy? Let's explore together. Before we begin, my name is Serena Lee. I share quick tips on how to pursue a healthy lifestyle, focusing on plant-based diet and easy plant-based recipes. Hit the subscribe button to join our community for more insightful content on healthy living. A plant-based diet consists primarily of foods derived from plants, vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes. This is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle that has gained immense popularity for various reasons. One of the primary benefits of a plant-based diet is its positive impact on health. Research shows that this way of eating is linked to lower risks of heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. The abundance of nutrients in plant-based foods is staggering. Take leafy greens like spinach and kale, bursting in vitamins A, C, and K, all the power of beans and lentils, rich in protein, fiber, and essential minerals. These nutrients are key in supporting our overall health and well-being. Studies have shown that individuals on plant-based diet tend to have lower body mass indexes and lower risks of obesity. The high fiber content in these foods not only aids in digestion, but also keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Let's also not forget the impact on our planet. Choosing plant-based options can significantly reduce our environmental footprints. Animal agriculture contributes to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water consumption. Embracing a plant-based lifestyle can help reduce these environmental impacts. Small changes like carrying a reusable water bottle or opting for plant-based meals can contribute to a more sustainable planet for future generations. Furthermore, a plant-based diet promotes diversity in our meals. From colorful salads to savory curries, the options are endless and delicious. Embracing this variety not only benefits to our health, but also introduce new flavors and culinary experiences. To sum up, a well-planned plant-based diet offers numerous health benefits, contribute to environmental sustainability, and bring a delightful array of flavors to our meals. What do you think of plant-based diet? Share your thoughts in a comment below. Remember, a small change towards a plant-based lifestyle leads to a healthier you and a better environment. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends to support my channel. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend. I'll talk to you soon.